Today we're reviewing Ruwac's accessory package for your wet vac. It comes with a very flexible crush-proof hose. This is all plastic construction with a screw-on cuff. You also get your inlet connector. Your inlet connector has a button lock in it. That's going to allow you to button lock it to the inlet of your wet vacuum or your slurry vacuum. You simply push the hose onto it. Now you're ready to vacuum. The other end of the hose, you're going to use a 1.5-inch wand. The 1.5-inch wand is aluminum construction. It does have a threaded fitting for the tool, so you can simply push that on and off the hose, use that to clean the floor. And then your plastic bodied tool is an ABS plastic, extremely durable. It does have double-bladed squeegee on here. So the double-bladed squeegees are changeable if you wear them out. You simply screw it onto the wand and then give it a half turn back so it can easily maneuver back and forth as you're cleaning up on the floor. So that's been a review of Ruwac's Wet Vacuum Accessory Package.